As always, high five. Oh, I got the sniffles. Hold on. Hey, after the fivers. I'm tired of sitting on the floor. Here, let's move. Let's move. Okay. 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 Ooh, that light's bright. Oh, I'm sweaty. Oh, man. So I have to release the legs of the tripod. Yeah. Hold on here. Look over here for a second while you look over my shoulder. Oh, I'm going to run into this camera. And you can't see my head. Okay. We'll get this working. Promise. There we go. Look at that. We're done. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. That was a lot of fun. And I'm glad I finished something. Look at, I've got, I can open it up now, and I've got those, and I got it on the other side. I guess I did forget in the other video to let people know that the drawer is open from either side, but I'm glad we got that taken care of in this video. I'm also glad that I finished something. But this does present an interesting problem, and on an upcoming video, you're going to see me make some brackets. Because there's no sheer wall on the other side, essentially a stop for the drawers or for the cabinets, because they open from both sides, it's a base, it's 3 uprights and a really heavy butcher block top. And that means that it's got some shear. So, and here what I'm going to do is use the nylon X to create some braces against the wall. And we're going to see if nylon X is a sturdy enough carbon fiber nylon to brace the desk and to prevent it from racking back and forth. That's the goal. Man. Oh yeah, I got to put these these new what are they called, drawer pulls and the template jig up. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. I thought that was interesting how the Hi-Fi Blue didn't really come in at dimensionally accurate on the Ultimaker 3. I mean, the Ultimaker 3 is a wonderful machine, and those prints look gorgeous, but no, it wasn't accurate. I guess, what could I do? I could adjust the flow, right? I think on the Ultimakers I can do the flow. Well, regardless, that's another problem to work on another day. I'm really enjoying this. I really, really, really like making practical prints. This is a lot of fun. I think the only thing that would make it easier is if I could hire a camera person. And there's someone in my neighborhood that doesn't have a job right now and could really use some extra money. And so, I go to the coffee stand every once in a while. Maybe I can give up a few coffees and see if I can pay him on the side or something. He's a good dude. He's a super good dude, and I'd love to be able to have him work camera just one day a week, and I'll have to work the finances, see if we can afford it. According to the state of Washington, I make too much money via YouTube to get some tax credits for health coverage, so our medical bills are going to be going up, which is, I mean, as long as I can afford it, as long as the kids can go to the doctor and as long as the kids can eat, I'm okay. But, yeah. Boy, adulting is fun. Well, I'm going to give this to Sean to edit. I hope you all are having a great time. And maybe I'll clean off this desk and we'll get back to making some normal videos. What do you say? Hey, don't forget, I love you guys, and let me know where you see this video. If it's on Patreon, if it's via YouTube subscription sponsorship, or if it's via my website. Catch you later. Ooh.